I'm still sanding and putting away. I'm just doing a little at a time. But I came to this problem up here. I was just going to try and sand it smooth, but all it's doing is tearing up the sandpaper really fast. That was only like maybe 3 minutes worth. So then I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but I cut this piece out. I'm gonna stick this here, and then putty this in, and I'll give it a much better looking finished look. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. It's coming along. So I got the other side going too. I'll show you the other side too. I still need way more putty on this side. But yeah, it's coming along. All right, I cut 2 pieces out already, and let's go ahead and mount it on there. Let's see. And then screw it in. All right. Drill another hole here. Let's put 2 more in there. Down into the hole. Let's try to make another hole. Wow, dang, that screw's still hot. There it goes. All right, I don't know why I didn't think of that before, but putty this in, that should be a much better looking finish. There goes the other side. I just finished the other side. All right, let's go ahead and putty this in. looks way better. All right, something like that. Let that dry, sand that down. Okay, here it is, all puttied up again. Putty these on both sides. And I just put more putty wherever I thought I might need it, in the low spots. But I need to go back and get some more putty. It's all done. But this would be on hold for maybe a week now, because I think it's supposed to rain hard the next 2 days for sure, but maybe the next 4 days might be raining. So I gotta put this somewhere where it's gonna be dry. All right, there it is for now. To be continued.